How to post songs on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can post songs on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to post songs on Spotify, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open your browser and go to artist.spotify.com. Because you have to create an artist account, I'll also make sure to drop a link below. Now make sure to click the get access option from the top right hand side of the screen. After that, just select your artist or manager account over here, as you'd be able to find it. Now once you've done this, on the next specific page you should be able to see claim an artist profile option. So just make sure to click the continue option here. Make sure that this is the correct Spotify account and then just click the next option again. After you've done this, just make sure to search for the artist or paste a Spotify URL, and after that you can just go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions to claim an artist URL, and then you should be able to go ahead and then basically post the songs. This way you'll be able to post songs on Spotify after you create an artist account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.